The COVID-19 pandemic continues to ravage the country with a total of 115 deaths recorded in the first 8 days of November. The country also reported the highest record of 7,296 infections during the same period. We begin our broadcast with our very own Chemutai Goin, who says the deaths and infections are beginning to alarm experts. Take a look.
The upsurge in the number of new COVID-19 infections forced the government from the 4th day of November to review some of the containment measures, including adjusting forward the curfew and requiring that bars and restaurants close an hour earlier. But despite the tightening of the rules, the pandemic continues to wreak havoc, with 8 more deaths in the last 24 hours. Bringing the total deaths in a week to 115. 719 new infections were confirmed, with the Ministry of Health statistics between 7th November and 4th November showing among the highest cases and deaths. 4th of November recording the highest number of infections in a single day at 1,494. The past 8 days, a cumulative 7,295 new infections. And despite the Ministry of Health's call to young people for behavioral change, figures show that those between ages 30 to 39 account for the chunk of the country's caseload at 31.2%, followed by those between ages 20 to 29 with 13,530 cases. Those between ages 40 to 49 accounted for 11,850. It is also quite notable that those categorized under the vulnerable age group of above 58 were also registering alarming numbers. In terms of distribution by gender, men took up the lion's share at 64.6% with 40,343 cases. Nairobi County remained the epicenter with the highest number of infections countrywide at 28,735. Mombasa County coming in second with 5,478. 7 counties: Kiambu, Nakuru, Kajiado, Uasin Gishu, Busia, Machakos and Kisumu registering between 3,000 and 1,000 cases. In the last 24 hours, 1,316 patients were admitted to hospitals across the country. 5,623 more were on home-based care. 60 patients were receiving treatment under the intensive care unit, 23 on ventilatory support, while 32 were on supplemental oxygen. With a review of some of the infection prevention and control measures, it remains to be seen just how effective this will be and whether the situation will improve. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV.